How to use People tab in Canvas for teamwork or group work. My name is Denise Russo and I teach a variety of classes at a variety of colleges, but this should orient anyone that uses Canvas for how to proceed. So in your Canvas account, you should find the People link in the sidebar. And so you're going to select that and you will come over to the page that says people and shows the groups. And I am in the student view, so this should look similar to what yours is, although you might have a list that lists all of the students in your class. I will not be showing that here in order to protect privacy. So once you're here, a little bit different, the lock should be off. If the lock is on, that means either for some reason this has not been made available to students at this time, or it might say 3 students and it might be that it's locked because it's full. That number, of course, will depend on the number set by your instructor. So you should find all the different types of groups, and you can see in this example I have some kind of assignment 1 group going on here, and then I have a discussion board group, so that I have different types of groups you might sign into. And then there should be a spot here where it allows you to just click into this group and you can be in this group. And then if you decided you wanted to go into another open group before your assignment is finalized, you can always leave and then put yourself into a different group. So you should be able to navigate between those groups pretty easily, again, unless they are locked. You won't be able to add into a locked group. Once you have your group, you should have a little tab over next to the title that says something to the effect of visit or home page. It looks different than my view, so I have to just describe what it's like. You're going to select that, and then you will go to your home page for your particular group. So I'm demoing the calorie reduction group for this course, but you can see here there are different groups on this particular setting. You will only have access to the groups to which you are involved. So there are a variety of things that can be done in your group. You can set up an announcement for your team or your group. You can use pages to write documents. You can have small discussion board groups if you want. But in my classes, we use collaborations. And once you select collaborations, initially this page will be blank, but I have already created a collaboration by using Start a New Collaboration, and you will see any collaborations that have been designed. These might be set up by your instructor, which is how I do it, or your team or group might decide to start their own. So if you need to start a collaboration, just select Start a New Collaboration. You can do Google Docs, or if you're looking for a presentation or a spreadsheet, you need to switch to Apps, and then you will select the item that you want, the kind, and you will name it. Oops, there we go. And then you would have, there would be a list of people in your group, and you would add them to the group as collaborators and select submit. So once you do that, and I'm not going to create this one, I'm just going to show you this one, you will then have access to opening it here, and you will see everyone that is allowed to access it will have the ability to interact on whatever the document is or the presentation. And then in my classes, usually what will happen is you will share by using the share copy link, and that will ultimately be how you submit the assignment, either to a discussion board or to the assignment submission box. So I hope this video has been helpful in giving you an overview of how to use the People tab to do team or group work in Canvas. Eat well, play fit.